Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the sound design channel. My name is FAVOURITE, and in today's tutorial, we're going to be making a melodic techno bass sound using Serum. So this is how it sounds. And this is how it sounds with some other elements from this little demo I have here. Alright guys, and if you want to know how to make this sound right here, I have a tutorial on this sound on the sound design channel, so you guys should check it out. And right now, let's recreate this sound. Let's duplicate the channel. Let's copy the automation here. We also have some sidechain here using Nicky Romero Kickstart 2. And yeah, so let's go to Serum. Let's initialize preset. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to turn on the filter, and we're going to filter oscillator A and B. We're going to select the MG low 24. We're going to add fatness to 100% and some resonance to 26%. And now let's go to oscillator A and let's turn the octave to -1. Let's add some unison to 5 and the detune to 0.00. And now let's turn the rand phase to 63 and the level of this oscillator to 81. Now let's go open up our oscillator B and let's go to analog and select PWM-MG wavetable. Let's turn the octave to +1. Let's add some unison to 11 and detune to 0.12. And now let's turn the rand phase to 70. Yeah, that's it for oscillator B. Now let's go to envelope 1 and let's turn the decay to 510 milliseconds. And let's turn the sustain all the way down to -infinity dB. I think that's minus. And create something like this. Now let's go to our LFO1 and create a plucky shape here, like plucky LFO with a little bit of attack like this, and we're going to attach this to the filter cutoff here, and we're going to have it at 56. And in the mode here, we're going to turn on the envelope here. And we're also going to attach this to the wavetable position of oscillator B. Now let's go to LFO2 and let's edit our LFO. And let's go and turn on the envelope mode here. And we're just going to later attach this to the drive in the effects section. So now let's go to the effects section. Let's turn on the filter and let's turn the cutoff to somewhere around 1152. Let's turn on the distortion and select the sine shaper here. Let's turn the distortion drive to 11% and let's attach this LFO2 to the drive here. And we're going to have it at 32. Now let's turn on the compressor and we're going to have the thresh at -14.3. We're going to have our ratio at 4.1, our attack at 0.1, and our release at 90 milliseconds, and our gain at 4.7. Now let's turn on the reverb, and for the reverb we're going to have the size at 35%. We're going to have the decay at 3.8. We're going to have the low cut at 0 and high cut at 61, and the spin at 0 and spin depth at 0 as well. And the mix, we're going to have it at 12, and we're going to attach this LFO1. We're going to attach this LFO1 to the mix of the reverb, and we're going to have it at 38. Now, the last thing we're going to add here in the effects section is going to be the EQ. Now we're going to turn the frequency to 22 Hertz, and we're going to attach this LFO1 to the frequency, and we're going to keep it at 16. And we're going to have the Q at 34%, and we're going to have the gain at minus 24 dB, and we're going to remove the low end here. And yeah, that's it for the EQ. This is how it sounds. Let's add a little bit more volume to the sound. We're going to have it at 77%. Now let's compare it to the original sound we had. Alright guys, that's how you make this bass sound using Serum. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you soon in the next one. Peace.